Monna yange yobande, monna yange yobande. Tugende maaso, tugende. Soke basi soka.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have Winnie Nwaji here. Can I hear some noise? Yenda kunayo ebibuzo bisatu from you guys. That's the ultimate reason why we do this show, to bring your people closer to you. Nayo nyidira. Then if I was taller, just a little bit, and gym, So Nwaji has a new song with Shakira. Shakira, have you guys seen it? Teruna Furuma, name mwalabye ku teaser. Kati mbadde nsaba wamma Nwaji tubulire ku luyimbo. Some people think it's a little bit too much, the way you people paraded your bodies and the pictures and everything.
But the song is coming out on Friday, this Friday. Yeah, it's
after tomorrow. Yeah.
It's action packed.
Why Shakira? You looked for someone who is naturally endowed like you? Wow.
Shakira really wanted to work with me, and you know, nzomuntu wandaga nti ayagala nange, you know.
Yeah.
Njagala nnyo okukola n'omuntu nga ayagala okukola nange.
Okay. Shakira wali awo ba?
Funny.
Hey, funny. Okay, now away from that, there is Roast and Rhyme happening.
Yes.
For the very first time, you're fronted as Rabadab dancehall style. So, for the who are going to put Roast and Rhyme, do they expect you to freestyle this time around?
Me, I'm just going to give you the 5-day performance. What take them in reggae?
Reggae?
Okay. Hey, all when you was so sick of reggae.
Oh yeah. Was it intentional? Gamanti Nwaji got to go to time dancehall or now we're cooperating and putting no gamba come back.
I think now in do call a Roast and Rhyme. It's been long. Yeah, so I think my fans also missed me, so it's high time.
When is it happening, guys? Roast and Rhyme, When? The date?
It's on the 23rd.
Okay.
This month.
Mugule ticket to get to have a fire baby and go down so. Okay, now 3 questions. If you have a question, Temutia, it's okay. Peyton. Simon Chirumi. Onaishi buzo. Ochina. Omuzinda utegutukayo jangu. Guys, I have Simon Chirumi in the building with a question. Oba, shout. Me, I will ask the question. Who are you in love with, Wamma? Is she in love? With who? Movie Jawa. One more in love. All right. Two more questions. Big up on yourself, MC Katz in the building. I see you. Nando Love, once again, thank you. Or Rafiki, thank you so much for blessing the night. Hands of Brahma. Thank you so much. Today, Mondonge, who's of your day? Mutia. No, you have a they're not talking about Sam. It's okay. You have a question? Chibuze ku microphone. Don't fear. There's a reason we have this show.
One more question.
Ebibungesebwa mbwava mu swangizi kiki? Ebibungesebwa. Oba ku televayina? Ebibungesebwa. Mbwava mu swangizi. Yes. Nwaji was Swangs. No, I honestly don't think she left Swangs Avenue. But for purposes of your video, maybe, I know you're a journalist, she can answer you.
I'm still under Swangs Avenue.
Oh yeah. Okay, one more question. One more question. Come closer, my dear, come closer. You're the last one. You're good? Pia, you don't have a question. You came all the way from Barara to see Nwaji. Yeah? Okay, this is the last one.
Look, money, can you give me 20K?
Tetugambye ate mukubeera luseke naye oluseke lutuuse azikolerere oyagala koleki jangu muyimbe jangu muyimbe. All right, now ladies and gentlemen, do I have any question, bonus question? Oliwala. Okay, you have, you're very far. You shout. Any new project? Any concert? So we had a debate on who had the biggest concert in this country, by the way. Akalulu Kagwa Konwaji. Yeah? That was at Cricket Congo, yeah? So are we expecting any other concert from the Fire Baby?
At least not this year, you guys. It's too soon. It's too soon, and you know, tulinayo abalala abalina okushiningako nabo. Kitegeera. So at least until then.
Omuyimbi atodduse. Oyita ku madala. All right, now ladies and gentlemen, Nwaji has like 2-3 more songs, yeah? Mwagala album number. Okay, which song do you want her to sing? Which one? Jangu, Orolumu, which other one? Mistake? Muchisenge? Which one? Fire dancer. Watch me down to the team. Gundi tali yo. Kale. Ezo ziweze mbili. Next. Which one? Fire dancer. Jangu. Nesa sikum. Sasi kuchi. Let's get back to the music. Thank you so much for turning up, Nwaji. Thank you so much. So yimbango today. Neighbor Jaffa. All right, VP, let's get it.
So Kenaluliwa. Jangu. Okay, we're doing 12 more songs. Yes, you guys. So that no dakon kumao. Okay, it's getting massive. Go